Do you ever need to compare lists in Excel? Well, let me show you how to use the data validation tool to make this a simple job. I'm in Excel. In column A, I've got my list of people. That's my original list. And then in column C, I've got some new names added to it, and I want to quickly identify who the new people are that have been added. So I'll use data validation. It's on the data ribbon. I'll select my people in the new list and I'll go to data validation. And from the settings tab, I'll allow a list. Now as the source data, I'll choose the original list and click on OK. Part 2 of this is go back to data validation and choose the option to circle invalid data. Magic. So it's compared the two lists and it's identified who has been added. So simple. Now let's clear those validation circles. I don't need them anymore. Back to data validation and clear validation circles. Perfect. Now data validation can also help us create a drop-down list. Click in the cell where you want the drop-down to go. Back up to your data validation tool and allow a list. Now this time we'll choose our new list. I don't need the heading because I already have it. And I'll click on OK. Perfect. Now I've got a nice drop-down list which makes data entry so much easier. Hope these tools will help you next time you're working with lists in Excel.